Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to grow your Instagram account with consistency. Growing your Instagram account with consistency is a fundamental strategy. Here's how to do it effectively. Number 1. Consistent posting schedule. Frequency. Establish a regular posting schedule that is daily, every other day, a few times a week. Stick to it as much as possible. Timing. Identify when your audience is most active and post during those times. Use Instagram Insights to analyze your audience activity. 2. Consistent brand identity. Visuals. Maintain a consistent visual aesthetic across your posts, e.g. color palettes, filters, style. Voice. Use a consistent brand voice and tone in your captions and interactions. Messaging. Ensure your content consistently reflects your brand's values and message. Number 3. Consistent engagement. Respond to comments and DMs. Engage with your followers regularly. Interact with other accounts, like and comment on posts from accounts in your niche. Use Instagram stories. Post consistently to your stories to maintain engagement. Number 4. Consistent content strategy. Content pillars. Develop content pillars that define the type of content you create. Content calendar. Plan your content in advance using a content calendar. This will help you stay organized and consistent. Content variety. While staying consistent, also vary your content. Use reels, posts, stories, and live videos. Number 5. Consistent use of features. Hashtags. Use relevant hashtags consistently. Location tags. Use location tags when appropriate. Instagram Live. If you use Instagram Live, try to keep a consistent schedule with it. Instagram Live. If you use Instagram Live, try to keep a consistent schedule for it. Benefits of consistency. It builds trust. Followers know what to expect from your account. It increases visibility. Regular posting keeps your account active in the algorithm. It enhances engagement. Consistent interaction fosters a strong community. It reinforces brand identity. Consistent messaging and visuals strengthen your brand. By implementing these strategies, you can leverage consistency to grow Instagram accounts and build a loyal following.